Oh yeah, hi guys. What I'm up to right now is going out to build a kind of a wind wall for the Highlander bull, old Ripple. He's getting old and he's had many good winters, but we've had some really unusually bad weather lately. And it's just been bitter cold, 50, 60, 70 mile an hour winds, really uncommon here. So I'm gonna go start the tractor and I'm gonna go over here and stack a bunch of bales up so that it can serve as a windbreak. He's got a really nice nest, he's got hay, he's got all the food he wants. But you know, I'm getting to understand what it's like to be old and cold. You can be bold, but to be old and cold gets old. So go take a look here. Walk up here with me. This is his old home. You can see the trees up here where he's used to hanging out. I gave him a whole pile of hay here since it's gotten so cold. And hello, Ripple. Yeah, it looks like you've eaten all your grain. Yeah, you got a little bit of corn left there. Let's go check out your water. Ooh, you're out of water. And does not look like he's eaten any salt. Maybe salt's all in there. Yeah, he licked a little bit of it. Anyway, stand by. I'm gonna go get the tractor. Maybe put a bale like right here, here. Just build a wind wall. So let's go. Let's do this. Huh, Ripple? Huh? Ripple on still water, where there's not a pebble tossed or a wind to blow. Look at those horns. Aren't they just something else? Gonna have to measure them. I think they're over 3 feet now. Okay. Gonna go do this. Gonna move these bales around up here and make a place, stack them up and kind of make a wind wall all the way over that tree so when that cold north wind is blowing, he's got a place to out of the wind. Hey buddy. Hey buddy. Okay, so gonna just kind of see what I can do here. I gotta try to build a little circular shelter here out of round rails. And I can't let in case he can get to him with his horns, I gotta turn him around here. Now I gotta stage these back on the back of my tractor. Here. So those two bales that are right next to the bull are kind of okay where they are. So I'm gonna take, let's see, what am I gonna do? I think I'll just roll this one over there. Okay, now I'm gonna scratch the hay that's under there back. Let's try spearing it from the side here. Okay. I'll put this one right here, like that. See if I can get out of it without pulling it back down the hill with me. Yeah. Okay. Okay, there is another layer here. Come on, get off of there. Come on, get off of there. There you go. Now, when you're driving a forklift or a tractor like this, you're always trying to stay efficient. The numbers of turns takes time. There you go. Look at there. He didn't even flinch. He says, I like this stuff. I like that wind wall. Look the way he's pushed up against there. Okay, this is the last one here. It's going in there. And I don't know how long this other one is going to actually stay. I worry a little bit about it. Okay, almost done. I got a little crack up here. I want to push these together a little tighter. Okay. Okay, that's nice and tight there. All right. Okay, perfect, mundo. Okay, so you see I got a little weather wall built here. He seems to be really happy about it. Hey Ripple, how you like this, huh? How you like it? How you like it? I hope you like it. Good boy. Yeah. So we'll get you some more water. Yeah. Okay. Go get some water here real quick, and then we'll call it quits. Okay. I've got some grain. I've got some water. Gonna go bring it up there to him right now. Come here, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on. There's your grain. Ooh, looky there. Looky, looky, looky there, huh? Just sneak a little salt in there, so make sure he can drink enough water. And here you go. Here's your grain. Put your water right here, buddy. Hopefully, you're gonna drink all that water. Get a little bit of salt in there. You know, those animals don't like to drink when it's cold, especially cold water. But anyway, we'll see what he does when he gets enough salt and minerals too. So we're gonna take you up there on a quick little journey. Check it out. All these bales right here, double high. Pretty nice, huh? And there he is. Got enough salt. He's got his grain. Got his water here. He should be good for the night. He's gonna lay down on this old pile of hay here. Then later on at night, I come cover him up. So, thanks for watching this one, guys. We'll come up here in the middle of the night and make sure he's all tucked in cozy. Maybe we'll get him through another winter. Have a Merry Christmas. Hey everyone, Auto Kilcher here. I got a big announcement, and it's something that a lot of people have been asking about. Now we can do it, thanks to Bear Cove Retreat and Duluth Pack.
We had a great idea for Bear Cove Retreat and Duluth Pack to partner up with Auto for a giveaway.
The lucky winner will receive 7 days of lodging, meals, fishing, hiking, and Duluth Pack bags to get your gear to Alaska.
And get an opportunity to spend the afternoon with Charlotte and myself.
So go to DuluthPack.com, click on the Alaska Experience giveaway banner, and enter to win.
And while you're there, check out the cool links, including how to subscribe to Otto's YouTube channel. The contest runs from now through March 31st, 2026, so don't be late.
Looking forward to meeting the big winners.
There's no purchase necessary to win. YouTube is not a participant in this giveaway, and there are no obligations to subscribe, like, comment, or to enter.